Hi, I'm Rupali.
I'm Varchas.
Please welcome to our home. Hi, my name is Rupali. I am a pharmacist. This is my husband.
Hi, I'm Varchas. I'm an engineer.
We had 90% fixed another design company, but one of our family friends, he convinced us that we have to go and take a look at Bonito Designs. And once we were there, we were blown away by the experience center. They showed us all the materials. We could touch everything was tangible. And so that convinced us. But once we walked in there, it became very obvious by the kind of designs that were presented to us initially. And it really felt like Manish Malhotra and Gauri Khan had walked into this place and had made this our home for us. Okay, so the scope of work with Bonito was this living room, two of our bedrooms, and the kitchen, of course, and the washroom vanities. So the minute you enter the door, you come face to face with a nice painting of Buddha. The placement was also designed by Bonito. Further, they've created this nice shoe rack for us. It doesn't even look like a shoe rack because it blends in so nicely with the rest of the architecture. So my husband and I, we argued quite a lot about how to design this place. Our designer understood both our tastes perfectly and he created a nice marriage of our ideas, and this is how it looks now.
I spend most of the time in the study room to practice music. That's where I do it.
He cooks a lot. He loves cooking, so he likes the kitchen. This is where we have most of our arguments about how much to saute a vegetable or how big to dice a particular vegetable. But this is where we spend quite a lot of time bonding. Then we have a nice space here with all of our crockery, and it is blending in seamlessly with the dining area because it's all nice. But for me, my favorite space is our bedroom. So I wanted this room to be a cooler environment than the rest of the house, but our designer also suggested that this room should have a pop of color because of all the light that's coming in, and so he's put in a nice yellow wallpaper in contrast to the cool blues of the walls.
So balcony, she reads a lot, so that is where she gets to spend her me time.
It sort of felt like everything is going very well together. It was a very cohesive design. Everything that's been installed here is of top quality, and we were promised this and they have delivered. I would recommend Bonito to our friends and I would rate it 9 out of 10.